Hello, my Forex for beginners family. My name is Abis Mawash, and I am excited to share my journey with you today. I am here to talk about the incredible experience I have had with the Forex Beginner Academy by Said Ali. Before I found Forex Beginners Academy, I was completely new to the world of Forex trading. I had heard about the potential of Forex to change lives, but I didn't know where to start. I felt overwhelmed by the complexity of the market and the vast amount of information available online. I needed a structured, reliable guide to navigate this new territory. That's when I discovered the Forex Beginner Academy. The training provided by Said Ali has been a game changer for me. It's not just about learning to trade, it's about understanding the market, developing the right mindset, and managing risk effectively. This comprehensive approach has helped me building a strong foundation and boosted my confidence in trading. During the course, I have learned key concepts that transform my trading, like support and resistance, Fibonacci retracement, moving average, trade lines and channels, mindset, risk management, and candlestick analysis. One of the most valuable skill I have acquired is how to read and analyze price charts on TradingView. This platform has become my go-to tool for in conducting technical analysis. I have learned how to use various indicators and tools to make informed trading decisions. Another highlight of my experience has been the private student group. This community of like-minded individuals is incredibly supportive. We share our experiences, learn from each other, and motivate one another. Said Ali is actively involved in the group, providing feedback on our markups and answering our questions. His guidance has been instrumental in refining my trading strategies and improving my performance. In conclusion, joining the Forex Beginner Academy has been one of the best decisions I have made. The knowledge and skills I have gained have set me on the path to become a successful trader. If you are serious about learning Forex trading, I highly recommend this academy. Thank you, Said Ali, for creating such an amazing platform and for your consistent support.